Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You should start by getting devices and network ready. Plug the TV into power and an HDMI port if using a dongle or cable. Make sure the TV input matches. Once done, connect your phone or laptop to the same Wi-Fi band as the TV so Discovery works reliably. Sign into the legal streaming app you plan to use on your device. This saves time during casting. Double-check remote batteries and that any dongle has power and shows its setup screen. You now perform the core connection step. If using HDMI, plug cable or dongle into TV, switch to that input and mirror or extend from your device display settings. Adjust resolution if needed. If casting, open the official streaming app, tap the cast or AirPlay icon, and pick the TV from the list. Wait for the confirmation tone or prompt. If relying on the TV's app, download and sign in, then start playback. The TV handles decoding so network speed matters. Finish by testing playback and verifying sync and quality. Play a short clip to check audio/video alignment and confirm the resolution is appropriate. Change display settings if required. If playback stutters or won't connect, restart the TV and source device, toggle Wi-Fi, or replug the HDMI cable. These quick resets often fix Discovery errors. If problems persist, update the app and firmware or reboot the router. If you still have trouble, contact the device maker's support for guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.